After cracking this blind case, this is your first visit to the house of Sagar Naik. Ki सांगपास होता sir? How do you feel today?
We are very happy. आमची आखी entire team worked day and night, including DIG, IG, DGP, SP South, DYSP, and our division. And baile staff घेतलेले आम्ही. आमचे teams had gone out of state, and they have been there for the last 4-5 days. And it is one of the happiest thing that we were able to solve this case, nab the accused, and recover the property. And now we have come for further investigation and statements with the family.
Sir, how many sleepless nights? Ani, I have seen you a couple of times, odd timing. So how was this entire? Because very challenging case, as much as I know. Blind also, challenging also.
See, there is saying, those who help themselves and work hard, even God helps them. So without working hard, there is no success. But in this, we work really hard. And we got the success.
Sir, you've been an expert in cracking blind cases. What was the vital clue? You want to disclose something or?
We will talk about this later.
But as of now, 6 people have been arrested.
6 people arrested, and one more person who is there, we are tracking him. Should be arrested very soon.
But the recovery of gold is also there.
Yes, it's done.
Victim has identified everything.
Yes. We have shown
So it is a 100% crack
Yes.
case. Blaming the police, they're doing a slow job and all this. What is your message to them today?
See, the message to them is the result. And see, everybody can give their views, they can say what they want. But we were on the track, we are working. We cannot disclose to you what are we doing, because our disclosure could reach to the accused and they could go absconding again. But we have worked. And people say, I am not there at the police station. I was there at the police. I was holding charge of Vasco also. I was there at Vasco. Nobody told me who is coming. But there is no limit to talk and there is no bone for the tongue.
Sir, different parts of India, these culprits were there. How many teams were dispatched? The Vanikite?
We had sent quite a lot of teams. Teams to Orissa, Maharashtra, Bangalore.
But finally managed to crack the case. Are you very happy today?
Very, very happy. It's one of the sensational cases. Thank you.